is Joel Joseph.
My name is Jake Portalese.
My name is Justin Armoy.
And our project is called Motion Fitness.
What Motion Fitness does is to assist users with their exercises, in this case the squat. This also highlights their specific bones as needs to be fixed, and it will be highlighted red. If the user is doing the exercise correctly, it will remain blue. The hardware that is used for this project is a laptop, an Xbox 360 Kinect, and an Xbox 360 adapter. The software that is needed for this project is iPiSoft Recorder, iPiSoft Mocap Studio, and Blender. How this works is basically iPiSoft Recorder will record the user doing the squat. Then it will be sent to Mocap Studio, which will be imported as a file to a BVH file, which is a special file that is used for motion capture. Once it has been recorded, then it will be placed into Blender, where the bone armature will appear and doing the following squat. This code will apply to the bone parts of the armature. How this code works is that when the user is doing the squat incorrectly, specific bone structure will be highlighted red because the user is doing it wrong. If the user is doing correctly, then it will remain blue, which is the neutral color. As for the rest of the code, we will explain it soon.
Alright guys, now we're going to do the rotation blender. Last time we did the color blender, now it's the whole code itself. So for the first code, as we did before, you gotta do the import BY, the BPY, also the import math, and then color, and then the your, which is basically all the tools and blenders you need for this specific code. The OBJ is, like I said before, is the object, and that is the animation of the armature doing the squat. The next selected code is all the specific bone groups, well, not bone groups, but bones being selected for our project. So the left thigh, the right thigh, the chest, the middle spine, the lower spine, and the spine. All of those for our armature is going to be selected for a special task. Next will be the if statement, and this is basically same thing before when we're going to use the color, but it's going to be all blue for this case. So if the person's doing the squat right, then it's going to be all blue, but at a specific point. The else statement, if the say like the person's not doing the squat right, and it's not in the selected point that it's supposed to be, then the specific body parts, that the bone groups that we talked about before, so the left thigh, the right thigh, the chest, the middle spine, the lower spine, and the spine, will then change to red. Everything else will stay blue. Here's an example. Here is our if statement, and basically for this if statement, it will the Euler, which is basically the rotation of the whole armature. And when I mean rotation, how is your back straight? How far is your thighs going all the way down? All of these are necessary for our project. And at a specific point, the whole armature may change red or may all stay blue. It just all depends how well you do the squat. So we have a minimum and maximum. I'll show you guys the code first. We have a minimum and maximum for, give me a sec, guys. Minimum and maximum. These are our minimum, and the rest down all the way here is our maximum. So at a certain point, so for the chest, spine, the lower spine, the middle spine, they all have different rotations, basically. Degrees. At a certain point where if the body is not past in that certain area, then it will change red. And I'm saying this, I'm kind of repeating this, but I just want to make sure you guys get this.